Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to let you know about introduction part of Python. So if I talk about the what is Python? Python is a high-level open source programming language, which is a most popular programming these days. This is a easy to learn. It is just a simple syntax like English language. It is developed by Guido van Rossum, released in 1994. But demand of Python increased after 2015. So a lot of usage of Python. Python can be used for web development, software development, mathematics, system scripting. It can be used to create a workflow, connect to database, read and modify files, handle big data, and perform complex mathematical operations. And it is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive language means here you have to write down the syntax properly, because if you are writing message box, then you have to write message box in small letter, not capital letter. Capital letter message box will not be accepted. Okay. So whatever Python already defined, so you have to follow that syntax. So now I'm just moving about the version of the Python. The latest version of Python is Python 3. Python can be written in multiple editors. Like we can write down the code in PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, NetBeans, Eclipse, Visual Studio, lot of other editor as well. Even you can write down the Python code into Notepad and save the Python .py, and you can move your Notepad into interpreter to execute your Python code. So this is a introduction of Python. So always make sure, if you want to learn Python, you should be little bit aware about the programming language. If you are not aware, you can do hard work. You can learn Python programming. That's all for this video. Thank you so much.